In this video, I will show you how to create a circle burst animation in After Effects. The first step, I will create a new solid layer with black color. The next step, use the pen tool. Make sure the fill options are not active. On stroke, select solid layer. For the stroke thickness, I set to 15px with white color. On the preview screen, I will activate the action safe view. And now, make a straight line. Hold down the Shift key to make it easier. Click the drop-down icon on Shape Layer 1. Click Add, and then select Trim Paths. Open Trim Path 1 settings. At the initial duration, activate the stopwatch for start and also for end. For the end value, change it to 0%. In the next 20 frames, create a new keyframe. Change the value of both to 100%. Drag keyframes to the next few frames. You can adjust it yourself in the duration section. Select all keyframes, then use Easy Ease. Open the graphics editor. And then I will change the two graphs to be like that, so that the movement looks smooth. To add more line sections, click Add in Contents. Select the Repeaters option. Open Repeater 1 settings. On copies, I will increase the value to 4. Make sure the anchor point in below the line. Open the Transform Repeater 1 setting. In rotation, change the value to -90. If you want to make more lines, duplicate Shape Layer 1. In the rotation setting on Shape Layer 2, change the value to -45. And so that the motion lines don't look the same, move the shape layer to several frames. But if you want to make double lines, you can duplicate Shape Layer 1 and 2. And then, set the placement. In this tutorial, I'm going to add a circle animation for the end. I use the Ellipse tool to make a circle. Disable the Stroke option. In Fill Options, I chose Solid Layer. Create a precise circle. In the Color section, I choose white. Make sure the anchor point in the center of the circle. Click the drop-down icon on the Shape Layer 5. Open Ellipse 1. Transform Ellipse 1. At 20 frames from the initial duration, I'm going to activate a keyframe on scale. In the first keyframe, I change the value to 0%. And then enable Easy Ease mode for keyframes on scale. After that, edit the graphics for motion. Next step, copy Ellipse 1. On the Ellipse 1 layer, move Scale keyframes. Click Add in the Contents section of the Ellipse 5, and then choose Merge Paths. In the Mode section of Merge Paths 1, click Add, and then select Subtract. If you have done it correctly, then the sequence will be like this. And now, you only need to adjust the placement of the circle according to the timing. And the result will be like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.